Hey, good afternoon. This is Perry with Axe Equipment. We're going to look today at one of our CG4 bucket burners, and we're going to talk about installing a low fire baffle inside the burner. Now I have my gas line unhooked here. You'll have to do the same. And these are some testing ports I've been using, so just disregard those. But anyway, you're going to need a 1/8 inch hex key, and you're going to need a 5/16 nut driver. You've got 4 screws up here on the top of this this little neck here, we'll call it, and you're going to take your little 1/8 inch hex key, and what I do is I take 3 of them off, and I'm going to swing it out of the way. I'll show you. So here's one screw here, 2, and then I'll just take this 3rd one out here. I'm going to leave that 4th one in there, I do believe, and I'm going to see if I can't swing that out of the way. Make it easier to install. Okay, so I'm going to swing this out. Whoops, it just came right on off. Okay, we'll take it off. We'll just lay that down here. And then we're going to take our little 5/16 nut driver and unhook these 2 screws. And you're going to flip this cover back. Now inside this cover is a spark plug boot. You're going to have to take apart. You just got to reach in here. You might bring your camera right around here and see the spark plug boot back here. Maybe you can see there's the spark plug boot. I unplugged it from here. Anyway, so now we're going to install this low fire air baffle here. And the way to do it is you're going to bring your camera in here close. You've got 2 little pins down here. Can you see those 2 pins right there? And this air baffle is going to go right in here like so, right between those pins. And I'm just going to take my little nut driver and kind of tap it down, and that's it. What that does is that makes the air a little bit more stable going into the heat exchanger in the event you've got a burner that's not stable or making some loud harmonics. So anyway, and then just do the reverse to put it back together. Don't forget, you've got a gas orifice right here to let you know. Just don't let that fall out, or make sure it's in there when you put it back together. But make sure your spark plug boot is on here. You're gonna have to kind of do it like this, and that'll go in there. And then you can just put your screws in and tighten this back up, and then you've got it installed. But anyway, yeah, it's just a low fire air baffle. So anyway, when it comes to cleaning, you know who to call. That's Axe Equipment, 1-800-251-0018, or visit us on the web at axeequipment.com. Thank you.